Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today we're going to be doing a review, an awesome review, because we're going to do the brand new Lululemon Airsupport bra for bigger chested ladies. So it's a high support, high impact sports bra. I'm going to let you know, is this a hit or a miss for my beloved Lululemon? Before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, more health information. Give this a like, comment below anything else you would like me to review. So let's go ahead and get into this high support, high impact sports bra by Lululemon called the Airsupport bra. The color that I'm wearing is rose/pink puff. So it lists the two colors because we have the rose on the outside, and then the pink puff is in the little detail in the whole little holes, little circles on the side here. Now personally, I was excited because I am a 34D. I do have a bigger chest, and that's what this bra is made for. C cups to triple D cups is what it says. Now let's go through the whole process of me getting this and then putting it on. So first, the whole process when I got this, there was little packaging things to keep the boobs from not getting smushed, which I appreciate that because you don't want, your bra to lose shape, especially a bra that's this expensive. So that was kind of interesting for me to see. And then as I put the bra on, I noticed how soft it was. So that's one thing I do like about the bra. When I put it on though, I was having issues getting it down. So I had to take it up off my head again, and I had to completely loosen the straps. So we do have some adjustable straps here, which are perfect. I like that. I don't know about you if you like that, but it's nice to hold them in tighter if you need to and drop them a little bit lower if you don't. So I had to lower the strap down all the way and then pull it down. So it's kind of hard to get on, and reading the other reviews, I wasn't the only one that was struggle busting over getting this on. Number two, you have to clasp it then in the back, which I do like that feature because again, it is more customizable. So you have your 3 clasps in the back, and then you do the hook and eye kind of clasp. I was on the very last one. So not the middle, not the most tightest, but the loosest one. So when I first got it on, my initial thought was maybe I could have sized up. This is a 34D, I'm a 34D. It did fit me tight. It fit me very well, but if I was on the loosest clasp here, maybe I could have sized up and felt a little bit more comfortable with it not like being too tight, if that makes sense. And when I was reading the reviews, other ladies said that it ran small and they tried to size up. Now, when they tried to size up, and even I think if I tried to size up, there was some puckering on the side boob. I didn't have any puckering on this, maybe a little bit on the right side, but it was nothing super noticeable. So let's go back into the inside of the bra and the features of that. They have an internal support system is what they call it, which is why then you have a nice mold of your boob so it doesn't look like you have a uniboob. I don't know about you, but I hate that, especially when I have a shirt or a tank top on. So it does look nicely that way. So it has an internal support system, meaning it kind of has a mold of the breast shape already, and that's supposed to also help with the impact, and when your breasts hurt when you're jumping or doing high impact movement, it is supposed to help pretty much minimize that movement. Another slick feature you can't really see on the website is going to be the back straps here are going to be super flat and thin but still supportive, which I think that was one reason why it was so hard to get on. It has a very much seamless look about the entire bra, which is nice and sleek. And the whole purpose, I would think, is to not be able to then see the lines of your bra when you have it on under your shirt. But it's going to be an issue if you do have some puckering. So let me get down to the nitty gritty here. This bra is $98. As a big chested lady here, I am willing to invest in my sports bras and in my bras to feel comfortable and good and supported. But when I put this on, I will say I'm not too sure and completely sold on spending $98 on this bra. It was hard to get on. It kind of felt a little snug for me. I would be afraid to size up and have that puckering happen for the 98 bucks when I can get this daily feel good sports bra for $28. It has similar support to it, and it's a lot more comfier. And be on the lookout for DFG sports bras, by the way, looking to add a more high impact bra soon. So, I do think it's a great option. I love what Lululemon's doing. Let's bring some more high impact sports bras, but can we please lower the cost a little bit and maybe make some modifications to where it's not going up people's pits and puckering out a little bit. So overall, if you want to give this bra a try, you can. I'll link it up below. Worst comes to worst, you can return it. They're great with returns there. But hopefully you found this helpful and save you some 98 bucks, whether you're on the fence or not. If you guys need anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm here to help you guys, and don't forget to give it a like. We'll talk to you guys later.